everybody, good night. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So in tonight's video, I'm just going to be reviewing my monthly BoxyCharm video. And they were so kind enough to also send me Boxy Luxe. What is BoxyCharms? Get 5 full-size beauty products with an average value of $175 for just $27.99 a month. With the BoxyCharm base box, you can upgrade to premium or luxe once subscribed. I have a smoothie from Smoothie King because I'm thirsty and it's still hot here. But let's get right into this. So if you guys want to see what I got in my boxes, just keep on watching. We're gonna go for the base box first. I did post photos on my Instagram, so go check that out. So my head's in the frame. I got my hair done over the weekend. It looks really, really good. I'm really glad how my hairdresser, Lisa, did my hair. Thank you, Lisa, for making my hair look like it has life before, because it was a hot mess before. Here's the box. The base box is Real Life Runway. Here's the card. It's really cute. I like the purples in it. And let's go over this box. The first item is by Ofra Cosmetics. It's right here. This is a beautiful palette. I will be doing a look with this. I absolutely love this palette. It's a really cute compact palette. I love the shades in here. The shades in here are perfect for the fall coming up, or just for every day kind of wear. You can create really beautiful looks with this. And this retails for $32. Let me grab my phone so we can add up the base value of this box. 32 plus the next is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This is really good mascara. When I was wearing mascara before, I would always wear this. It's really good, and this retails for $28. I'm not going to open it, but I will show you the packaging on it. Here. Plus 28. The next item is by Ciate London, a dewy highlight glossy cheek glow. I'm trying to open the box. Here it is here. I don't really like these. I just think they're kind of a waste. Here it is here. I don't really understand the concept of it. It does, oh, it smells really good. It smells like it has like Moruga oil in it. Even Aragon oil. This retails for $24. I'd rather use this as a lip gloss and not on my cheeks, because I don't need things on my face to feel sticky and glossy. I don't know if this is a good product or not. I'd rather use it on my lips rather than my face. Okay. The next item is Glow on the 5th by Puffy Eyes Cooling Eye Balm. It's here. I took it out the box already when I did my photos. Here's the box here. I feel like Glow on the 5th's best-selling formula is now available in a convenient full-size travel tube infused with caffeine, shea butter, and berry extracts. So this is good for your face. Formulated for all types of skin to leave the under eye feeling hydrated and glowing and cool. Alright. Okay, it is very cooling. Anything for my under eyes, I'm all for it, and I'm always for it to try, because under my eyes, I always have like these puffy bags sometimes, especially like during different times of the month, that time of the month too. And this retails for $24 as well. And the last item I got in my base box was Tint Phantom Liner. It is right here. This packaging reminds me of Fenty Beauty. It's an actual, oh my goodness, it's an actual brush liner. These are so hard to find. I'm not giving this one away. Wow, I can't wait to try this because it's so hard to find a liquid brush liner. I'm excited to use this. And this retails for $18. So the base value of this box is $126. Thank you BoxyCharm for gifting me this September's base box. And let's get into the Boxy Luxe. Okay, let's look into the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe box. Let's see what I got. It's a huge box. It's just like gonna take over. I don't want it to get in the way. Let's open it this way. Here's the paper with all the items on it. And let's get right into it. This is an exciting box because there's a product in here. I don't have any of this brand because it's just too expensive for me, but you know what? I'm very, very thankful for this. Thank you, BoxyCharm, once again for gifting me this box. The first item in here is a Natasha Denona palette. It's a Zendo full-size palette. This alone cost $69. I thought these retailed for more than this. Huh. But anyways, that's a lot of money for a palette. This palette screams the fall. Like, every color in here is the fall. Look how beautiful this palette is. You can use this palette for pretty much any kind of look. I will also do a look with this one as well. I love getting palettes. Palettes are just so fun to work with and just see what you can create with them. Warm and cool tone palette, inspiring by the ambience where nature meets minimalistic architecture, a mix of elephants that conveys peacefulness and tranquility. That's what this palette really looks like when you look at it. That is super, super awesome, super nice. Very, very excited about that. The next item I got is by Allure Beauty, right here. And this is another mascara. Here it is here. And this retails for $25. Thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me these items. The next item I'm excited about is an Olex Hendrickson C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Anything by this brand, Olex Hendrickson, is a very good skincare brand. You can get it at Sephora, I believe, but anything that's brightening and has vitamin C is good for your face, and it hydrates your face and also brightens your face. As an esthetician, I know that for most skin types, you can use vitamin C on it. It smells like it smells like orange creamsicle. And this retails for $60. Yay, that makes me very, very happy. The next item is by Make Serum Balm. Unfortunately, my item did not get sent in my box, but that's okay. You know, this is a free PR box that they're sending me, so I'm very thankful regardless if an item doesn't make it into the box or not. The next item is by Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Reduces Redness Relief Serum. That's really good for your face, because just like today, I don't even know what the hell happened to my face. I guess like when I get too frustrated and flustered, sometimes my face does get just red blotches on it. And this is really good because it will help calm it down. So Nature's Stand Against Sensitivity, this fast aging white mushroom powered serum is clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes. So I'm going to try this tonight and see how it works on my face. And this retails for, oops, I did something wrong. So the Olex Hendrickson, this retails for $34 and this retails for $60. So right now our box is at $188, and then with the item I didn't get, that's plus another $24. Sorry, we're at $212. Wow, like this is incredible. The next item I got is by Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. I love these. I love any kind of eye gel mask, gel pads, whatever, for your under eyes. They feel so good. If you have a mini fridge, stick these in your mini fridge, and then when you're ready to put them on, your eyes are in heaven. Stay in place cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin. And these retail for $28. The next item is by Queen Studio Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. They are right here. Okay, so that's a red color and a brown. There they are right there. Very, very nice. And these retail for $18. And the last item is another brand that I don't have anything from. And this is by Dominique Cosmetics Silk Tone Cream Blush. It's right here. Give your cheeks and lips a pinch of color. Okay. I really don't know about cream blushes. I don't think these will work on my face. I would just use this on my lips as a lip gloss. Yeah. I wouldn't use this on my skin because I don't like those cream types of blushes and things like that. I just don't think they work good for me. And this retails for $22. So this box retails for $280 minus the $24 for the product that I didn't get. So it actually retails for $256. I'm super excited to try out the Natasha Denona palette along with the Ofra Cosmetics palette I got in my base box. I will be also putting this up on my TikTok and more photos on my Instagram. So go and check that out. I have another little video I'm going to be doing after this, so please check that one out as well. I hope you guys are all doing good. September is a hard month for me, especially like where I was about a year, 2 years ago. It's the month my dad passed away. I miss him every day of my life. I will continue to miss him every day. I wish he was still here. There's so much I would love to talk to him about. But that's just like the terrible part of life, is when you have to lose someone so close to you. But anyways, I don't want to sit here and go off on that. I just want to say thank you, BoxyCharm, for gifting me these lovely boxes. I can't wait to share them with you guys with the items I don't want. I will be doing a giveaway. I keep saying it, but I just haven't had a chance to put it together. But it is coming, don't worry. I just have so much going on right now, as always. Ugh. So before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. So I just want to say thank you, everybody. Good night, and I hope you guys still follow me on my little channel. I need to be more active on it. I will. Alright, everybody. Good night. Bye.